Welcome to CRM training. We will be talking about lead detail screen. A lead detail has all the sections pertaining to that lead. A lead detail can be accessed from dashboard screen or from the opportunity list screen. Within the dashboard screen, you have recent leads on top, which display last 20 of your leads that you have accessed. You can also click on these counters to open the grids with leads in them. Clicking on any name or opportunity ID will launch that lead. Once the lead is launched, focus on a few different sections within that screen. You have the top section where you have counters such as attempts and engaged for outbound or inbound communication scores. You have a proposal counter which shows any serious activity, and then you have a notes counter, clicking on which will display all the notes about that lead. Users can also enter new notes over here as well. The second section is a contact section which has lead's name, cell phone, email, and any other contact information such as address, second email, work phone, home phone, driver license information, etc. Notice that there is a counter right next to the names field and a plus. Clicking on this plus, you can actually add more names to this lead. A lead can have several names, such as nicknames or other aliases. Users can keep on adding more names like this. Users can also remove the names after adding them. And users can also make one of the names as primary. There's a legal name field available as well. Users can block a lead by clicking on block link, or users can click on do not call or do not email. Users can also define primary language of that lead. There's also a driver license icon right here, clicking on which will open up a screen to capture a driver license for that lead. Users can click on capture license from my phone or capture license from lead's phone. Clicking on one of these links will send a text message either to your phone or to the lead's phone. In that text message, there's a link to open a form where users can take a picture of the driver license from their phones and save it into this lead. After they save it from their cell phone, they can refresh it over here and a new file will be displayed over here. Users can also select files from their local computer by clicking on browse and selecting and saving it. Users can click on this communication panel right here to either call someone or send a text message to someone or email someone. In the emailing, we have two different ways. Either launch a new email compose message or launch a lead inbox. In the lead inbox, you have inbox and sent tabs. You also have a compose message over here as well. Clicking on inbox, user can view any emails that they have received from that lead, and the sent tab will show any emails that are sent to them. Users can also perform notes update from within emails. They can set up an appointment, send a text message, set up another task, or mark lead lost. The section below contact section is an opportunity section. One lead can have several opportunities. An opportunity can be separated based on when the user was communicating with us. So such as, for example, this lead, Robert, for example, had communicated with us this year, but next year, if he's back to buy another vehicle, we can add another opportunity by clicking on this link and filling out this form. Users can also add tasks to a lead. Some of the most common tasks are appointment, phone call tasks, or manager review. Users can add one or many vehicles by clicking on vehicle selection and either selecting something from the inventory or adding a wish list. If the user searches in the inventory, users can search by entering stock number, year, make, model, or users can search by selecting a body type or price range. Users can also add a credit application to a lead by clicking on New Credit Application link and filling it out. Users can also send this credit application to a lead as an attachment in a text message or an email. Users can click on Quick Text, go under Customer menu, and Credit Application. Once a lead fills out this credit application, a yellow button will appear over here saying a credit application is present for processing. Users can also add trade information by clicking on this form and filling out VIN, year, make, model, and other related information data. Users can also create quotes. A quote is basically a mini sale, which is not an official version, but users can select any vehicle for that lead, enter a sale price, taxes, fees, warranties, gap, and other information such as down payment and APRs. Notice that there were 2 quotes present from before, and we just added a third one. Users can send these quotes to the lead in an email format by opening this quotes menu and then clicking on email. Notice that all 3 quotes are right here, which are showing vehicle information, price, tax for quote number 1, quote number 2 right here, and quote number 3 right here. Users can attach different file types such as driver license, insurance, proof of income, and several others. Users can also select from a menu called Print forms such as Foursquares or Sales Worksheet, which are writable forms. Users can save these Foursquares and get a signature from the lead and attach it back into this. Users can also toggle between previous and newer leads by clicking on these next and previous buttons. Users can also view activity of a lead by going into the activity log Users can launch a dialer by clicking over here and pressing this green button. After the call, the users will be asked for a brief survey of how the call went. The options are if they've left voicemail, or they had a conversation, or that nothing happened. Users will also be asked what would they like to do next, such as set up an appointment, or set up a follow-up call, or send them a text message, etc. Users can connect two leads together by searching for another lead over here, and users can merge these two leads. This concludes our training for lead detail. Thank you.